Hey guys, welcome to another video of Create This Journal episode 3. Today I am going to show you how I made 3 pages, how I made this page, this page, and finally this page. So let's get into the video. For the first page, I started by sketching out this girl figure, and then I traced the figure in black pen. And guys, please watch the entire video. It's only 5 minutes of your time, but it would be really good for my watch time stats. So if you have the time, please do that. The prompt was use string on this page, so I am bringing in my wool. And I chose these 4 colors to fill in the girl's hair. So yeah, I did this by adding some glue to the page and then sticking the string in the form of the hair. It was kind of hard to make it stick sometimes, but I managed, and then I would cut it to the right length. And here is a time lapse of me making the entire hair. So yeah, I think this page turned out pretty cool. So yeah, page 2. This page, the prompt was watercolor this page, and I decided to go for some flowers that I just sketched out quickly, and here I'm just adding color to all of the flowers and trying to make a pretty image. For these flowers, I tried to blend the colors a little bit. The page became a little bubbly when I started to paint on it, but luckily later on it went away again and it became flat again. So I'm using some purple for the lavender, and for the sunflower I'm just going with the traditional brown and yellow. I also decided to add a bright blue to these little flowers. I don't know a lot about flowers, I have no idea what they're called. And I'm just using some green for all the stems. And because the watercolor I used wasn't the best, I went over it all another time to try to make the colors a bit more vibrant. Then I used a black fine liner to trace all of the lines. And I think this just made the lines a little sharper and the image a bit clearer. And yeah, that's basically all I did. I really like how this turned out as well. It's just really happy and colorful. Yeah. So the last page I'm going to show you is how I made this mandala. It is just a simple page. I used these little plastic things that are meant to make mandalas, but I just used it without something in the middle. And I decided to go for this flower pattern, just adding until it was full. I considered coloring it in, but I decided to just leave it as it is, and it's simple, but I like it. So anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe, I would really appreciate it, and bye!